Coming to you live, YouTube, Shade Tree Customs. How about that roll pan on the front? Finishing up the 70 Chevrolet. Got one or two more little things to do to it. Phantom grill. Ordered the fender clips and bolts. They'll be in tomorrow. Not too bad. Say I ain't painted with a paint booth. Give me one of them paint booths. He's gonna put rhino lining in the bed. Famous Cadillac tail lights whip my behind. Roll pan on the rear. Oh yeah. Got a blazer coming up next. Baby blue and white. Yes. Need a paint job? Contact me. 843-325-8006. Ain't the best, but better than the rest. Hello.